Hi, it's Mrs. Pedigo again. Welcome back to our BIG6 lesson. Now that you've taken your pre-assessment and watched the BIG6 video, let's review what we have learned. In the blend space lesson, there is a handout that you can refer to when doing your work. This handout is just a reminder of the steps to use when researching. Use the worksheet handout to help organize your thoughts as you research your topic. The first step of BIG6 is very important. It is the task definition. This step is going to help you determine your topic. This is also the step where you should make certain that you understand what the teacher is asking you to do. Think about your topic. Is it narrow? What do you need to know about the subject? What do you already know about the subject? In step 2, think about your topic and determine what resources might be most useful to you. This is also the stage where you're going to determine if your topic is narrow enough. For example, if you choose music, then you'll need to be more specific. Like, is it classical music, rock music, piano music? And if you take a topic that is about a historical event, you may choose to select books from the nonfiction area of the library. If you are choosing a topic that is about a current event, then you may want to use websites or online periodicals. Step 2 is a good place to list the resources that you plan to use for this project. Knowing where to look for your resources is very important. If you are using books, then the library should be your first stop. Use the catalog to help you determine the location of your books. When in doubt, always ask your friendly librarian to help you. There's also plenty of information online, but you must determine if the information you find about your topic is accurate. Do you consider it a verified source? Step 4 is where you're going to use the information you have gathered. Do you need to read a book or an article? Do you need to watch a video? Do you need to interview a person? The goal is to choose the most relevant information from your resources. Remember to take notes of important details while you're reading or watching your video. Keep organized notes. You might want a special binder, or you might want some note cards to use. Don't forget to write down all the information you need to give credit to the author. And remember to write your notes in your own words and only use quotation marks if it's for a direct quote. Step 5 is where you're going to synthesize your information. You're going to organize your information in the order that you will use it in your project. Create a rough draft or an outline to use. Always edit your work and decide how you're going to present your information. Are you going to do an essay? Are you going to do a visual presentation? Maybe you're making an online presentation. And remember, never be afraid to ask for help. Step 6 is the evaluation. Always review your work. Check for spelling and grammatical errors. And it's also useful to have an adult read your assignment looking for mistakes. Remember that you want to write not as you speak in a text message or maybe with your best friend, but use an academic language that will make you sound smart and resourceful. When reviewing your work, ask yourself these questions. Did I create an assignment that matches what I wanted to do in step 1? Did I give credit to my sources using appropriate citation format? Did I follow copyright laws and fair use guidelines? Is my work neat? Does my work have the correct heading? And would this be a project or an assignment that I would be proud to share with anyone in the world? BIG6 can be a very useful research tool to help you be successful when trying to complete an assignment. Remember to organize and revise as necessary. Always give credit. And then don't forget to evaluate the process. Did you like the way you researched? Are there areas in the research process that you could redo or improve upon? And remember to always review your work before you submit it for your final time.